friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to make plus and minus pattern in 3x3 Rubik's Cube. So let's start. First we need to do U2, means we have to move our upper layer 2 times. Then we have to do R2, means we have to move our right layer 2 times, like this. Then we have to do L2, means we have to move our left layer 2 times. Then we have to do U2 again. We have to move our upper layer 2 times. We have to do now R2 again, and then we have to do L2. Now our plus and minus pattern is ready. Thank you. Please like, subscribe and share the video.